ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. I am Amir Miraj and I am going to teach mathematics to the Punjab Board students. This is Punjab Board mathematics and Algebra exercise 4.1 question number 1 part 1. So this is about factorization and I'm going to teach question number 1 part 1. This question is so simple to solve. We have 6x and plus 12. So what will you do? You just see that 6x and we have 12. We can write this 12 as 6 multiplied 2, 6 times 2. Now you see that 6 is common in both the factors. 6 is here and 6 is here. So we can take 6 as common. So whenever we have this in two terms, we have the same common value, that is 6. So we can take this 6 out, 6 as common. Now the brackets start. Now we are left with, I have highlighted this 6, so we will not write in the bracket 6. So which is not highlighted, we will write x. So we write x here and plus sign, and then we have 2 that is not highlighted, so we write 2 here. So this is the factorization. This is the final answer. This is so simple and this is the final answer. Thank you very much. See you in the next question, part 2. We will solve the part 2 inshallah tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.